The DAR token is a crypto assets token that is going to be used for the Darts ecosystem. What's up guys? In this video, we will be talking about an exchange that conquered the Japanese market and is now ready to get into the global market. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Dart's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. And just like what you see on your screen right now guys, it's saying heading to gas zero. Alright, now this is actually, as you can see, an asset protection and profit sharing for the next generation. So Darts is a blockchain based network and it allows for the preservation of the individual existence and asset value for profit sharing. Alright, so just like what you see on screen guys, Dart's wallet is already available. You could check out the information here so you could get more details out of this one, and you could probably utilize the Dart's wallet already. So for this company guys, who is Darts? So the trade name is Darts Corporation. The trade name in Japanese is this one. This is their address, phone number, and date of establishment. They have been in the market since 2021, so it has been like 3 years already. So business description, they have all these, okay? So the capital is 60 million yen plus capital reserve of 60 million yen. So this is the email address. The board of directors is already here as well. And the legal advisor and the patent counsel is already here. So you might as well go ahead and check out all the information that you could possibly get for Darts. That way you will be informed, and definitely you might be interested into getting this. So they are already doing the overseas IEO, or the initial exchange offering guys. So Darts Corporation is pleased to announce that P2B Crypto Exchange initial exchange offering is the IEO guys. P2B Crypto Exchange is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 with a daily trading volume of 1.5 billion US dollars. Okay, so you could go ahead and check on this one. So starting January 12th until January 24th, 2024, guys. The token name is DAR. Okay, the issuer is the Darts Corporation. Ticker is DAR. And then it is an ERC20 token. Okay, so the total last issuance is 60 billion. All right, and this is the initial issuance. This is too much. Oh my goodness. So these are all the information for their IEO, guys. So guys, the DART token is a crypto assets token that is going to be used for the Darts ecosystem, and it is actually a very good investment. I'm excited for this one because again, they have been in the business for quite some time already, and they are well known in Japan. They've conquered Japan already and they are already all set to conquer global, just like, you know, other exchanges that are available for the global market. So this is something that is a jewel that you guys need to check out before it even launches. All right, so this is their white paper. There's a ton of information that you could go ahead and check out on this one that will tell you who Darts is and what are the things that they offer and what are the things that they have planned in the future. So make sure that you guys are informed. Also, check out their social media platform. I have their Twitter here. This is their Darts Twitter for Japan. And then this is their Darts Twitter for their global market. All right. So they have 7,000 here. And then for their Japan, they already have 17,500 followers. And they also have a lot of other, you know, channels that you guys could go ahead and check out to make sure that you guys are informed on whatever announcements, giveaways, airdrops, or anything just like that. Because again, guys, you know, a lot of projects does that to, you know, boost their marketing as well. So don't miss out on that. Okay, so you have Discord here as well. You could join them, and then you could click on this one. They're also available in different languages. Okay, you have Chinese, you have Japanese and Espanol, and then English. Okay, so you have the media coverages, and all those important information are in their website. So make sure to check out their website as well. That way you will be informed before you invest in this project. So again, guys, make sure to stay until the end screen videos. So those videos will definitely be helpful for you in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.